What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you guys for tuning on today's video. Today we are going to be working on the tow pig. We're doing a little bit of a reliability performance upgrade. This is something it's super inexpensive and easy to do. You know, your average Joe guy can do this on your 6.0, 7.3, all the way up to 2008, the 6.4s, even in the 6.7s. I do believe that this is possible that you can do this. So it's going to be pretty cool. I'm excited to do this video for you guys. So stay tuned here and we'll kick this thing off.
If you have been on the channel for a while, you guys have watched me actually install this diff cover on the race truck. We are actually going to be installing the same diff cover onto the tow pig. This is an aluminum OEM design diff cover. It's got the fins in it. This, like I said, this is OEM design, so the OEM actually came out with this, I believe, in 2008 for the 6.4 trucks, but they work on basically the 6.0s as well, the 7.3s, and then I'm pretty sure the 6.7s as well. So really inexpensive. We got this one through Dorman. There's the part number right there. And then we are also going to be running the Schaefers. As you guys know, Schaefers is awesome, and that's why we're going to be running it. So we're going to be using the 75-140 XP Extreme Performance differential lube for the Tow Pig 2.0.
So like I said, this is a super cheap, inexpensive. Most of the time, especially if you're from Michigan, your differential cover's probably starting to get some rust. So an aluminum diff cover that has a little bit performance to it with the fins and still being an OEM design, and then of course being aluminum, it can get rid of heat faster than the steel ones. It's not going to rust out on you. And for most guys that are out there, it's probably been, when's the last time you changed your differential fluid? So now's a really good time. You got to pull the cover off anyways, so you can upgrade to the aluminum cover and then go to the Schaefer's differential lube. Highly recommend this, guys. We're gonna do it on the tow pig, so let's kick this video off. We're gonna get the truck up on the hoist. We'll get set up and start popping off that diff cover. All right, so we got the old rusty diff cover off here. Just a handful of 13mm bolts around the edge. We got the sealing surface all cleaned up with a razor blade so that we can get all the old silicone off. And then we sprayed this thing down with some brake clean to try and get all of the old fluid out. And then it'll kind of fill up down here, so you gotta kind of force it out a little bit. But everything is nice and clean now. And all we have to do to prep our new one is grab some Ford silicone, and we will flip this thing over. We're just going to feed the silicone into this ring here, this indent, and then that'll be good to go. We'll get the thing bolted back up, torqued down, and then we will be good to go. We can actually start filling this thing up with some diff fluid. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so we are on our maiden voyage here. Couple of things. when you're filling it up, you fill it up from the front side, which you guys saw in the video there, and then you're gonna fill it up until it starts pouring out. And then once you do that, you can put the plug back in. It doesn't hurt to double check the fluid once once you go for a test drive. Double check the fluid, make sure that it is topped off. It generally takes about 3.5 to 4 quarts of that Schaefer's fluid, and then you should be good to go. And like I said, guys, this is a cheap, inexpensive, kind of a small upgrade. A lot of you guys out there, especially if you're from the northern states, your diff cover's rotted out, so this is kind of a cool upgrade. And then you also get the benefits of aluminum and the fins, but it's still an OEM design, so it's probably due for a fluid change anyways. So really cheap, inexpensive, guys. You guys got the part numbers. They won't work on a Dana 80. Make sure you know what axle you have in the rear end of your truck. So, but other than that, guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below and subscribe if you're new. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.